Welcome, in front of me is the EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the factory mode. So to get started, let's just simply hold the power key, select the power off, and once the device turns off, we will hold power key and volume down. Yep, so now that it's off, power key, volume down. Now when you see the EMPORIA logo, you can let go of the power, but keep holding volume down. And you should see this mode, which is the factory mode. So in here, using volume down only, you want to scroll down and select the third option from the bottom. So as you can see, this is called Clear eMMC, but the only thing you can actually see in English letters is the eMMC. So that's kind of what you were looking for. And once it's selected as it is right now, simply press power key and this will instantly begin the process. So this will remove all the data from your phone and it will take several minutes, but once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished. So from here you could set up your device as however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.